For some of us, we are so worried. We are concerned about the healthcare, the system of health in Ghana. You want to return, but we are waiting for things to be perfect before we return. One of the areas is the diaspora concern is healthcare. Welcome back to AfrigaZone, the good people of the diaspora and in the diaspora for Africa to win. This is the representation of AfrigaZone. You are on this channel where we talk about the diaspora. We also talk about the return, during the return, and beyond the return. On AfrigaZone, we also make sure that we let you know about the smart ways where you can invest back in Africa. After you have a return, how to sustain yourself with cash flow, how to establish some business also. Ideas, experiences, we share here. We also interview the diaspora where you learn about such experiences. AfrigaZone is for Africa to win. Today, I am here to show you how things are developing in Africa or also in Ghana. Why we focus on Ghana? First of all, Ghana is becoming the metropolis of Africa. It's becoming the giants and taking shine from other countries like Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and Rwanda. The state-of-the-art hospital, it is not yet completely finished, but they are doing a great job. For some of us, we are so worried. We are concerned about the healthcare, the system of health in Ghana. You want to return, but we are waiting for things to be perfect before we return. One of the areas is the diaspora concern is healthcare. It's the hospital, it's the clinic, it is the doctors, it is the whole system. Yes, that's why I was able to look for this video and make sure that you are informed, you are educated, because it is said that for lack of knowledge, my people are destroyed. For lack of knowledge, my people are destroyed. So knowledge, information empowers you to make a decision, to know certain things ahead of you so that you can go ahead and take them. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we share a wonderful thing. You are part of the diaspora, I'm a part of the diaspora. When you do so, you encourage me to stay in the air. Right here, watch this short video.
Ghana opens biggest hospital in West Africa. Is it no surprise to see that Africans fly to Europe, America and Asia to seek medical treatment? Hospitals are intended to provide healthcare for sick or injured people, and in order to do so, they must have the most up-to-date medical equipment and qualified medical personnel on hand. Only a few hospitals in Ghana, like other African countries, however, can boast of a world-class system that meets Ghanaians' health needs. There are several beautiful and well-equipped hospitals in Ghana, but to top it all is the University of Ghana Medical Center Legon, located in Accra. This is one of the biggest hospitals in West Africa. Constructed in 2 phases, the second phase has been completed, and the hospital stands out to be one of the best and most equipped in West Africa. The President of Ghana opened this beautiful and one of the most biggest hospital in West Africa. The second phase elevates the center's status to that of a quaternary care institution, as it will now offer highly specialized, experimental, and unusual diagnostics and surgical procedures. The second phase of the medical center, built with a $217 million Israeli bank grant, includes 42 specialist and subspecialist clinics, a cardiothoracic surgery center, and a cardiac catheterization lab. It also has an 8-unit apartment for critical staff, biohazard waste treatment building, a waste dumpster shed, an oncology ward, neurosurgery with a neurology ward, and an intensive care unit, an assisted reproductive technology center, private wards, a pediatric surgery unit, an MRE, and dental service units. Akufo-Addo stated that his administration is dedicated to providing Ghanaians and residents with adequate health infrastructure and world-class healthcare. He emphasized that the UGMC's mainstay was healthcare delivery, and that the facility played a critical role in managing complicated referrals from other hospitals in the country. The president stated that the center also accommodated walk-in patients seeking specialist or consultant attention and provided health services such as trauma and orthopedics, urology, ear, nose, and throat care, cardiology and dermatology, accident and emergency services, and pain management, among others. In addition, the center has a medical training and simulation center that will serve as a national training facility for health professionals across the country. With the completion of the second phase, he claimed that the facility's cutting-edge medical simulation and training center is the largest in West Africa. This training center is a nationally recognized multidisciplinary academic center dedicated to achieving excellence in medical education through the use of high-quality and innovative computer-based simulations. The UGMC's 1,000-bed clinical services section is dedicated to promoting positive health outcomes through innovative, customer-centered, cost-effective, and high-quality processes. From a humble beginning of 3 general service OPD clinics, we now run nearly 40 specialty and subspecialty level clinics. Dr. Osi informed the government that the center needed more infrastructure to be able to provide more subspecialized services. He stated that the center required a helipad to assist us in the evacuation of trauma patients in order to increase medical tourism. The center also required the establishment of a radiotherapy center for cancer treatment, an infectious disease center, specialist and other critical staff housing, and official vehicles for the center. The University of Ghana Medical Center, UGMC, is a quaternary hospital offering quality medical services to patients and acting also as a hub of research and training in all spheres of the health sector. The role of non-clinical staff in fulfilling this mandate cannot be overemphasized. To power our ambitious quest to maintain a cutting-edge facility are smart, well-qualified, and mission-minded leaders running these departments. The University of Ghana Medical Center, West Africa's largest hospital with ultra-modern machines, has begun full-scale operations following the completion of the second phase of the project and subsequent handover to the facility's management. We certainly hope that the hospital will not only serve Ghanaian and West Africans, but the entire African continent. What are your thoughts?
Thank you for staying tuned. I bet you enjoy the video. You enjoy that, and because now you are informed, and based on this information, it's going to help your decision to return. You know, things have evolved in Africa and in Ghana. Things are moving forward. Look, in 20 years, the Africa population right now is 1.3 billion. In 20 years, in 2050, it is estimated that that same population will be double. About 2 billion. So, innovation, labor, workmanship, within that, we have right now, we have a young generation under 25-year-olds, 75% of the Africa population. What do you think? What do you think? So, if you learn something, comment below and let me know. I appreciate you all. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to this channel and make this channel one of your YouTube channel. Share and like. I'll see you next time. AfrigaZone for Africa to win. Ciao. I'll see you next time.
Oh.